good day everyone, and this is Simply Bennett. Long time po na hindi tayo nakapag-vlog. Sobrang busy and sobrang katamaran na rin sa pag-edit. And now guys, September 15, day off ng mga Inday. So ngayon po, gusto namin mag-try mag-bowling. Dahil nag-bowling kami nakaraan pero hindi namin na-vlog. So ngayon po, try po natin mag-bowling today and i-feature po namin kung saan kami mag-bowling. Okay, so tara po guys! Are here, Qatar Bowling Federation. So here guys, this is the guidelines. Ito yung dress codes nila. Dapat ganyan ang suot mo. Huwag ganito. Bawal.
Bawal balik mo. Patali? Matalang bakit?
Ha? They have also billiard here. Ito ng trophy nila, boy. Yan naman mga klaseng bola. Ang luwag ng espasyo nila, boy, no? And they have also canteen here. Ito man yung canteen nila. Ito yung mga VIP. Okay, this is their price, 12 QR per person for the bowling. This is their rates, and the shoes is already included. So we are going to the lane number 8. Our lane. So ito na, maglalaro na kami. Ayan, simula. Let's play. Let's play.
Yeah, just go.
Number 10, 11.
You see this?
Sobrang bigat.
Number 11. This is my birthday.
Ingat. Good luck. Wow, nice. So 9.
Chicken fever.
There's one left. Wow, mashallah. Nice one, spare. Very good. Nice one.
Ilagay mo lang dyan, dapat i-play mo. Ito lang.
Nice one. Score 10-7. Haha.
Galing mo. Naka-play na? Naka-play na?
Hey! Go back. Naka-spare ako. Wow! Strike! Yes! Ang galing! Oh, na-strike siya.
Baka naninibago ka pala.
Hindi, lang. Sorry lang. And guys, tapos na po kami mag-bowling. So, sa halagang 12 reals po, nakapag-enjoy kami kahit 35 minutes lang. So, tapos na. Day off na mga Inday. Time to go home na. Antok na yung kasama ko. So, yun guys, affordable naman doon. Yung billiard naman nila is 35 reals po per hour. And then, open po sila daily, 10 a.m. to 12 midnight. And then, Fridays, 7 p.m. to 12 midnight po. So, yun lang guys. Bye na po. Have a great day.